Hey guys, Max Zanan here. I want to talk to you about dealership websites, especially the service part of the website. So what I see is that most dealerships have a service tab where you can make an appointment, and that's as far as it goes. Uh, what I suggest is that you actually have multiple service related pages and have a dedicated page to most popular services that you offer and put a video, maybe with your technician or your service advisor or service manager, explaining why this particular service is needed. This way, customers can understand why they should consider doing this service versus that service, and it will really simplify the upselling part in the service drive. So the punchline is very simple. Expand your service pages on your website, and it will benefit you in terms of service retention and hours per repair order.